150 individuals in the property sector and in government have already been arrested following the application of new emergency legislation under which speculation has become illegal and speculators can be prosecuted. Several politicians have been intercepted as they tried to leave the country. Hundreds of banks and property companies have been investigated and closed down, and their directors have been ordered to appear in court. Increases in house prices and in levels of family borrowing have led to a social crisis. Ordinary people have come out onto the streets to force the resignation of the government and the formation of an emergency cabinet to implement Article 47 of the Constitution, which punishes speculation and guarantees the universal right to housing. The people's demand for affordable housing could be met through emergency measures. But how did it come to this? The reality of the housing situation had become unsustainable. These images were taken with a hidden camera during just one day of visits which replaced various property companies in Barcelona in late 2005. The properties were unaffordable and the mortgages on offer would take more than a lifetime to pay off.
Son 35.900.000, ¿vale?
La borrada igualmente,
Son 47 metros útiles.
Només podeu pagar uns 100 al mes, més o menys, heu de pagar el 40%, no us podeu endeudar més del 40%, llavors, quan sou joves, podeu fer 40 anys, més o menys uns 40 anys, podeu arribar, jo crec, a 40 poc.
Una hipoteca 40 anys.
Sí.
In a society in which permanent jobs are virtually non-existent, these were the conditions that had to be met in order to find a place to live.
Et demanaria el contracte de treball de qui sigui, del que té fixa. Les dues últimes nòmines, la declaració de renta tu la fas o no?
Sí, però...
Declaració de renta i llavors una balista.
And what did you get for all of that? The quality of the flats was abysmal.
Da todo a patio de escalera, no patio de luces, a patio de la escalera.
No, posa. Espera que, mira, això és tota la llum que tens, Espera que...
Nada más que ni salgo a la calle ya vas a quedar todo al interior.
But that's not all. It seems that anything was acceptable as long as the property business continued to flourish. Here we see a saleswoman showing a potential client around a flat with aluminosis, a condition affecting the cement used in cheap construction. The only cure for it is to demolish the building.
Que tinc que dir que tant aquí, això està fet tot nou, com a la botiga, van detectar una viga de ciment aluminós.
Perquè l'aluminosi, clar...
Sí, és una malaltia que té el que és la finca. El que passa que si es cuida i tot això no passa res.
What was the government doing in the face of this appalling situation? The rights of the citizens could not be respected whilst the public authorities continued to be governed by private interests. Everyone knew that so-called subsidised housing was astronomically expensive and that for every 100 flats on offer, there were 20,000 applicants. As if that wasn't bad enough, the City Council opened an office which was supposed to protect citizens from harassment by property developers. In reality, by giving out false information and making veiled threats, this office actually encouraged tenants to move out of their houses, leaving them at the mercy of developers. These images were recorded with a hidden camera. This is the case of an elderly woman who was being harassed by a property developer. Instead of being provided with the legal means to defend herself, she is told her option is to leave the home to which she is entitled.
Bueno, es su abuela que está viviendo en Gracia, en Verdi. Sí. Y bueno, pues, desde hace un año más o menos se ve que cambió el propietario, vendió la finca a una inmobiliaria, sin darle ninguna opción de compra ni nada. Y ya,
¿Toda la finca entera?
Creo que sí.
Si es toda la finca, no le tiene que dar ninguna opción de compra. Solamente es cuando es solo el piso.
Es que no sé.
Si es un piso solo.
Ha aparecido de repente una inmobiliaria allí y creo que...
Tiene toda la finca.
Sí, puede ser.
Eso es correcto. Sí. Hasta ahí es correcto,
Vale.
Ella no vol marxar de casa seva i és molt normal, però a vegades los lavados de cerebro se tienen que empezar.
Lavados de cerebro vol dir que l'ajudem a que se'n vagi, a que...
Que se posicioni i que a vegades n'hi ha coses que més van perdre, no? Que no t'aguanta.
És que és molt fort, no?
Perquè aviam, si en fer la vida impossible comencen a fer obres i agafa una pulmonia i què?
És que ja és molt gran, és molt cabut, també ho vol marxar d'aquell
És que com totes, però...
Home, però és que a més és que és casa seva, vull dir que...
No li poden fer fora, no li poden fer fora i no li tenen que fer fora, però ara anem a la vida normal.